Okay guys, we got a 2024 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you to replace the engine air filter. This one's actually really easy to do. It says right here, pull to open. So you pull it up like that. From there, you push these two tabs down, grab this, and pull it out. And that is your engine air filter. Very easy to get to, very easy to replace. I love how they fixed these. It made them a lot easier to do compared to previous times. I'm going to link an engine air filter in the description for you, but yeah, this is something very easy to do rather than have it done at the dealership. Thanks for watching.